Where does it go?
Yay.
Yeah,
What?
that's right. Set it right on top. Here, put this one in. Put the bucket in.
No, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. You have an umbrella? Where'd that go?
Daddy.
Good. Turn around one more time. One more time. That's it. Fit it in there. Awesome. Good job.
Oh, where's that?
Don't know where that one is? Where's the sun? Get the sun and put it in there. No. Pick up the sun. That's where the sun goes. But here's the sun. That's right. Turn it around. A little bit more. Awesome. You got it. Good job. Where's the seashells? No, get the seashells. That goes right here. That's right. Where's this one? No, it's over there. See it?
Yay.
Good job. Yay, clap your hands. Clap your hands.